discuss about air interface. Now, what about the air interface that we demand in the 5th generation as per the requirement? So, we demand that this air interface should be very much flexible. That means it should have with flexibility and adaptability. It should be flexible nature and adaptive in nature. So air interface should be flexible and adaptive. Now for this, what we demand in the air interface, that air interface should have adaptive waveforms. It should have various adaptive protocols. It should have various channel structures. Coding scheme, as well as various multiple access schemes. So in air interface, because a user equipment is connected to the network and it will have huge data rate transmission through this air interface. So that means this air interface should be capable enough to hold huge data rate. That's why it should have such waveform protocol structure schemes as well as multiple access technologies. Now, suppose this is my air interface. Now, here we have user equipment, and this user equipment has mobile internet. It has mobile internet. That means it requires ultra high data rate. With the help of this ultra high data rate, we can have applications like connected cars, Internet of Things, etc. That means if we have such huge data rate, then only we can access the requirement or services provided by 5th generation. Now, what is there in the air interface of 5th generation? Like we demand flexible waveforms. In air interface should support various flexible waveforms. It should work on full duplex mode. Should have various polar codes. Demand various polar codes. We have spatial multiplexing. Concept. We demand FOFDM, which is FOFDM stands for filtered orthogonal frequency division multiple access. FOFDM, we require sparse code multiple access with the name SCMA, and also the most importantly what we demand as massive MIMO, multiple input, multiple output. Now if we talk about this sparse code multiple access, it meets the demand of flexibility. It is very much flexible in nature, and because of this we have 3 times increase in the spectrum efficiency. As per the requirement of the 5th generation, that energy efficiency should be there, spectrum efficiency should be there, and latency should be less, as well as devices should be efficient in nature. So that's why this air interface should have a capacity to hold such requirements. So if one side we demand ultra high data rate, on the other side we have an application. So in between we have a complete air interface. Now this AR interface should support multiple technologies so that they can able to access the data rate demands. From sparse code multiple access, we have massive MIMO, flexible waveform concepts, full duplex. It is on a polar code, spatial multiplexing, and filtered OFDMA. So this is about 5G AR interface. Thank you so much.